Hi, this is Sherry Peel Jackson with another installment in my series called Basic Financial Survival. Today I want to ask a question. Do you feel stuck? I've been talking to a lot of people around the country, and the consensus is everybody's uncertain. There's a lot of uncertainty, and because of that, a lot of people don't like commitment, which is a problem because in order for us to reach any of our goals, we have to make commitments. We have to take a stand. My new theme for 2017 is be obsessed or be ordinary. It's time to stop being ordinary. So we have to take a stand and we have to make sure that we're not complacent or apathetic. One of the things that I've been teaching about for a very long time is starting your own home-based business. What I say in general is when you start a home-based business, you can write off everything but the kitchen sink. And that's just, keeping it mild. There's a lot to go behind that. But when Hillary Clinton during the election told everybody that Donald Trump didn't pay his taxes, all the wind got sucked out of the room and everybody was talking about it and it was all a buzz. This man doesn't pay his taxes. Well, he said something to the effect that he was a smart man. I didn't see it, but I heard about it and I looked a little bit on the internet. He is a smart man because he understands businesses, he understands business law, and he understands the tax code as they perceive it. So he's been able to take what's called a net operating loss and carry it back at least 18 years, and you can carry it forward 2 years. So even if his company's made a profit, he was able to go back and get that money back because of the net operating losses. Now, you can start a corporation, and there's a lot to that, and I don't have a problem with that. But for most people, it's easier to start a home-based business. It doesn't take much to start a home-based business. It takes less than $1,000. Some people even say it takes $39. But what it takes is your commitment to take the time to do the business. You can't come home from work and turn on the electronic income reducer. Most of you all know I call that the TV. And sit there and let the news watch you and you take in all that murder and rape and all that other stuff all day and be depressed. You have to come home, decompress for maybe an hour, and get started on your home-based business. Now, you all know what happened to me. I used to be a six-figure person a long time ago. When I started talking about the IRS and the income tax, they locked me up. And when I got out of prison in 2011, I was flat broke. There's a video out there somewhere about flat broke former IRS agent. But here we are in 2017, and I'm back to six figures again. And the reason for that is because I put in place the things that I learned from my wealthy friends. So no more being complacent, no more being apathetic. I made a commitment, and it took a lot of tears, a lot of hard work, a lot of long hours. But I don't want to be complaining about the way my life is going when I'm not doing anything about it. One of the things my parents taught me when I was younger, they didn't let us complain. They said, if you don't like where you are at point A, go to point B. So I'm going to point C and D and E next. Those of you that want to come with me, I'm willing to share these secrets with you. I'm going to be doing a workshop in Atlanta called the Elimination of Taxation and Debt Accumulation Frustration. That's going to be March 4th, 2017. I'll be in Austin, Texas, March 18th. I'll be in Dallas, Texas, March 19th, and I'll be in Tuscaloosa, Alabama on April 1st. If you want to know more about these workshops, go to basicfinancialsurvival.com. That's where you register, you get a ticket, and when you do register, you actually get both my books, How to Escape the Rat Race, 4 Keys to Acquire the Life of Your Dreams, and How to Stick It to the IRS, Confessions from a Former Insider, along with a whole bunch of other goodies, and a prize valued at $200 because I'm really aiming to help people. I have clients all over the country that are excelling and they're going to six figures, and some of them will probably even hit 7. So if you want to get out of the rut, if you want to get unstuck, it's time to do it now. It's still early in the year. No more excuses, because all talk and no action is a dreamer. You don't want to be a dreamer anymore. So look at basicfinancialsurvival.com. Keep up with me on Facebook. Keep up with me on YouTube and my blog, sherrypeeljackson.org, for more information about where I'll be later on this year. And if you would like to sponsor me in your city, which means help me get to your city and get people there, just let me know at sherrypeeljackson.org and we'll see about getting me there. Not coming to Alaska. Not coming to Alaska. You all have a blessed week, and I will see you at one of the workshops. Bye-bye.